Wherever the hollows are lacking, foresters help the birds by hanging nest boxes. They are often inhabited by tits, redstarts, flycatchers, starlings, or wrynecks. The wryneck belongs to the family of woodpeckers, but it cannot make a hollow. Its beak is too weak for it. It has a very mobile head and neck, hence its name. A wryneck can be found all over Poland, although it is a rare nesting species. It arrives in April and stays until September. It prefers quiet and warm edges of forests. It feeds on beetles, caterpillars, and aphids. However, its main delicacy